Today I'm going to show you how to manage Facebook notifications. You will be able to manage your Facebook notifications simply by looking for your profile picture. You will tap on your profile picture. You will go now to the left. You'll use these three dots. You'll come down to settings and privacy, and you will see settings and privacy will give you settings. Now, once you go into settings, you'll see a bunch of things for you to choose from. Here we are going to notifications, and here you can manage all of the types of notifications that you can get. Now, as you can see, there are many notifications. So these are everything from comments, tags, reminders, activity about you, updates from friends, friend requests, people you may know, birthdays, groups, reels. There are a lot. Each one of these that you go in, you can go ahead and choose where you get that notification. So if you will get it in app, so that means just a notification icon on the app. When you go in the app, you can have a push notification, email, or SMS. Now, push notification is when you have your phone and it's not in the app. You'll just get a notification from the actual app on your phone. It'll go ding dong, whatever, and you will get that notification. Now, you can update all of those. You can also go ahead and put on the push notifications for everything, email notifications for everything, and SMS notifications for everything. And here is where you will manage all of your notifications.